It's no mystery teens face a lot of stress. In fact, a Davis County schools worker says 1 in 5 suffers from a diagnosable mental illness like anxiety or depression. So tomorrow night, they're going to hold the biggest mental health screening night they've ever had. New at 6 News Specialist Sean Moody is live in Davis County, where administrators and volunteers hope to make a big difference here. Sean?
Hey, Dave, this is something the school districts wanted to do for a while. They've had smaller events in the past, but this one will be much bigger. They say this is all about improving lives and, in some cases, saving them. Christy Hutchinson knows her job is pretty important.
Suicide is the leading cause of death for ages 10 to 17 in Utah.
She helps teens in the Davis School District improve their mental health. And these days, it can be tough to be a teen.
That about 26% of our youth are experiencing depressive symptoms to a point that they're giving up things that they normally love doing.
That's up from 17% just a few years ago. They've had some mental health help nights the past couple of years.
About 75% of those students were, in fact, assessing at a high risk for anxiety or depression.
But they couldn't get to everyone.
Every night that we held one of these, there was a waiting list.
So the district partnered with the Davis County Health Department to bring in more resources. Tomorrow night, they'll have a lot of help.
One of our volunteer clinicians will spend 30 minutes with them and look at the results of the screening and kind of help them determine what the needs are and what they want to do next.
Isa Perry is the department's outreach coordinator. She hopes this is a launching point for students.
So we're hoping that nobody leaves without a plan for follow-up.
Christy knows just how powerful this can all be.
This night for me means something personal because I live with generalized anxiety disorder. I live with this thing that wants to control me and hold me back, but I'm not going to let it. And so for me personally, that's why I believe in this work.
It's work she knows will make a huge difference.
So it's nights like this where I honestly believe we're saving lives.
Now, even if you have a teenage school, a teenage child here in Davis County, even if they're not part of the Davis school system, they can still participate. If you go to dbhprevention.org/screening, you can sign them up. That event will be 5:30 to 8 o'clock tomorrow night at the Syracuse High School. Dave, back to you.
Let's hope there's a big turnout for folks needing help. Sean Moody, thanks.